Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log in to Lloyds Banking Employee Portal. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, on any web browser on your PC, laptop or even mobile device, head on over and type in online.lloydsbank.co.uk and then you'll be brought to this portal here where you can log in. So what you need to do is add in your username ID, user ID, and then your password, and then click on continue, and that will log you into the Lloyds Banking Employee Portal. You would have got your user ID from Lloyds Bank. If you don't have an ID, I would suggest to contact the HR department to find your user ID and to help you log in. Or if you've forgotten your password, you can click on forgotten your login details and just go through the process to retrieve your account. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.